how to turn off page you manage mention notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page you manage mention notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines at the top corner and go down until you find settings. Click on it and here click notifications, and now just go down until you find pages you manage and select your page and click here this one, page interactions, and here you will find it, page mention. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.